The Rimac Nevera stands as an engineering marvel in the realm of electric hypercars, heralding a new era of automotive technology. Unveiled with an astounding 1,914 horsepower, the Nevera reaches 0-60 mph in just 1.85 seconds, showcasing cutting-edge electric performance. Its quad-motor design allows unparalleled torque vectoring, offering precision and agility once unimaginable in electric vehicles. Further pushing the envelope, the Nevera features a unique monocoque chassis, integrating a massive H-shaped battery, optimizing both performance and safety. Such feats of design position the Rimac Nevera as not only a competitor to traditional hypercars, but a front-runner in the new wave of sustainable speed, elevating the standards for what electric vehicles can achieve.